Hello guys, welcome to Harsha Trainings. In this particular video, we are going to see why the object of integer data type belongs to immutable. So let's see. Let's suppose I have one variable called a and is storing 10. Here if I print of id of a, that is nothing but it shows the address of particular variable. Now this is the address of this a variable. Similarly, I'll take the same variable a is equals to 20. Now in this case 20 is different from this 10 value. Now again if I print id of a, that is nothing but a different address, different memory address it is taking. Means within the same address it cannot store the multiple values or the different values. So that's why the object of integer data type belongs to immutable. Now in the next upcoming video, we are going to see more interesting features of Python as well as the programs. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to follow our Instagram channel.